going on here, Kieran?
I ordered a backup camera about a week before I left for Paris. Just got back, and we're gonna throw this in the car today. And the reviews said it's good. Let's hope they're right.
Good old Amazon shit. Oh, whoa! What is this unit? This looks fucking fancy.
Waterproof rear view camera.
What kind of car is that on the cover? I don't think it's a Mustang.
That is not a Mustang. Much nicer than my car.
So, wait, is it a license plate one?
Yeah.
Cool. So, just attach this to your screws. Oh, that's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna hide in there real nice.
I know, right?
Unlike my truck, because my truck it kind of stands out like a sore thumb. Let's see this. It's cool. Okay,
Nice.
I see. So you got your video cable. And then you got your power cable. That's it. Oh, it's a full frame.
Yeah.
Well, fuck, I didn't know that. It's even got like the fancy lights on it and shit.
Yeah.
Wow. That looks like actually some decent quality shit.
Yeah.
Decent, dude. Decent.
Hopefully the hardware's long enough we don't have to.
Yeah, it should be. This is like 1,000,000 feet, so.
No, I'm talking like the bolts.
Oh. Oh.
These are pretty deep, so we should be fine.
Stop on to installing backup camera. Take off your plastic. Oh, it's like wash it fluid, dude. Just kidding.
Whose oil is that? Whoa.
Oh, do you leak oil or something? Do you burn it?
No, I don't. I just,
It's a joke here.
I kind of forgot it was in there. I won't lie to you. Yeah, this is the fucked one.
So, just pull it.
Well, eventually it'll stop being cross-threaded and move, but...
You say that, but it doesn't look like it.
It's fine. Don't worry about it.
Okay, screwdriver it is.
It's a little more frosty. There we go. Man, I was so surprised when I was sitting in the airport and Chris showed up and he's like, "Yeah, I'm on your flight." And then I was like, "You think he's first class?" And I was like, "Yeah, probably." And
No questions asked.
yeah, Chris is first class.
Did you go visit him or did not let you up there?
No, they let first class on the plane first, and then they're like, "Yeah, you scum can go."
Oof. Doesn't this come all the way out, Kieran? No. Fuck, man, that was loud. I don't know how this works again, so tell you.
Because there's a bunch of crap in here.
Oh yeah, just stab me with it.
That's fine.
Oh, it's like Mustang. Dude, your oil's leaking. I'm kidding.
When I was driving here, I saw the guy from Kelvin's who owns a Mustang. I saw a GT, and I was like, "Oh, where's your mufflers?" And I was like, "Hey, I know one guy who's got a car like that."
Oof. One guy.
Yeah.
Special sass. Oh, it's a rear trunk trim. If any of you break this, that's what the number is.
Yeah, so you just pop that up, and it gives you full access to both taillights.
Did it not come all the way out?
It does. I just don't want to. We don't have to.
Okay. What's next? Oh yeah, license plate. Obviously everyone knows how to remove a license plate, I hope. If you don't, well...
Have you ever unscrewed a bolt before?
Yeah. I mean, there's the fair point that sometimes they seize and strip and good luck everybody else, but...
Is it even funnier because I'm turning a screwdriver?
I don't know. Is it supposed to be funnier?
I turn now.
Oh, I turn now. Good luck everybody else. Kieran, is your license plate screw stripped?
No, it's like the most handy capable screwdriver in the world.
What do you mean? It's a screwdriver. What's so hard about a screwdriver? Okay, you throw that in the garbage and then...
Yeah, we never need that again.
Nope. So I don't know how this is gonna work, to be honest with you. How much sticks through the other side? Oh, that looks like plenty.
Well, there's got to be a license plate in between there as well.
Yeah, I know, but like the license plate is fucking paper thin, so that should be fine. Oh. Pull up. Where do you run this? I guess just up. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. You should have room to do that. Because the license plate should sit a little under it, I think. Read the instructions, bro. Yeah, you're good. You're good.
And there's enough through there.
Yeah, there's plenty of fucking grip. She sits on top real nice. Blocks out half the Saskatchewan and shit. Sticks through. Or it has room. Yeah, she's in. Okay, let's throw her on.
Oh, you just want to do that?
Or just full on. Oh, don't get this screw too. Got you. I got you, fam. Oof. I am now dirty. I touched the door. No, I was giving you the screwdriver, but okay. That works too.
Oh boy.
Doesn't line up? What the fuck?
Kieran can't find the whole V2. There we go.
V3.4, V5, V6. Wait, hold up. V2?
Where's this supposed to go?
You put it up. Like, we're probably gonna pop out your lamp underneath.
Oh, yeah.
And just put it up through there. If that doesn't work, then I don't want to know.
Good, I love that.
That's why I love the old rig, because you don't worry about popping holes in her.
Tightens a lot sooner now.
Well, duh, because it's not as much thread. Yeah. Mint. Let's check the flop test.
So we're gonna need to get more bolts. Got it?
Yeah, I feel like that's gonna rattle.
Wow, you know, isn't it?
Okay, so step 1 complete. Step 2. Honestly, don't even know where your fucking license plate is. Okay, let's figure this out. See the update, Kieran?
Sure. So, after a little bit of struggling and finagling, we have the wires. They're tucked up in here, going into the trunk, and we're gonna see if we can find an LED bulb to replace that halogen, because this kind of blocks the lighting and
trying to get as bright as possible. Yeah, and if you got a Mustang, this is how you do it. On the back here is a little grommet. That is where your that's your wire for the license plate bulb. So you just pop the grommet out and push the wires through there. I didn't pop a hole in the grommet, but you can do that if you want. But it's just tucked in there, and it works good enough. And it just comes through, and then it'll come to the bottom there. And then we got to connect this all the way to the front to the dash. So yeah, guys, what's going on? So right here, got the wire tucked up by the license plate. Comes through the inside. There's a grommet there, and we tucked everything on the inside of this hole here. So it's all tucked behind this frame at the back here. Comes through, and the video going to the front comes out the bottom one here. There's a little hole right there. Comes out, goes behind the carpet here, tucks all the way around in this carpet, and then goes through the back seat. And in the back seat here, just comes through under the carpet, tucks in the side plastic. I can't see. Kieran, where's the flashlight?
In the trunk, I think.
Oh god. So comes down in the carpet there. Stick goes like in between like the seat here, which we gotta fix because that is showing. Then it goes behind that, tucks in under the seat. There's plastic here. It goes under the plastic there. Sits there. The plastic will cover that, and then it goes up through there, underneath. And it's tucked up there. And it's gonna go across there and into the back of the radio. And then we got to do the power, which is connected to the reverse light. So
Just a quick technical difficulty there. I had to fix that because videoed it the wrong way. But to reiterate what I just said, we basically pulled the interior out for the most part and exposed all the wires to the dash, got everything open, checked for all the inputs, got the wires laid out down there, run through the car, and then Alex is back here. He's splicing into the reverse input so that when I put it in reverse, it'll flick over on the dash without any random issues. So we'll keep going at this, and we'll get back to you guys when we get a little closer to the end. So, just a quick technical difficulty there. I had to fix that because videoed it the wrong way. But to reiterate what I just said, we basically pulled the interior out for the most part and exposed all the wires to the dash, got everything open, checked for all the inputs, got the wires laid out down there, run through the car, and then Alex is back here. He's splicing into the reverse input so that when I put it in reverse, it'll flick over on the dash without any random issues. So we'll keep going at this, and we'll get back to you guys when we get a little closer to the end.
So we just finished the install. We're putting the dash back together right now. Well, he is. So as you can see, put it in reverse here. Deck switches and it goes to the camera. So it works perfect. We're probably going to angle it down a bit so it works a little nicer. But yeah, take it out and it goes back. It's perfect. Everything works. Tuck all the wires in under, put all the trim back. Can't really even tell that there's anything there. And then yeah, works. Mint, stoked or what?
Oh yeah.
Sick. That's a success for us.